Ladies and gentlemen, my video tutorial will provide you with guidelines that will help you to remove the unwanted browser extension called Close Your Tab. Close Your Tab is the unwanted browser extension that is designed specifically for the Google Chrome browser. The developers of this extension indicate that it can help you close current tab in context menu. But in reality, this extension operates as adware. If it gets installed, it basically may change some settings in order to display its own unwanted advertisements not related to the sites that you visit. So if this extension was mistakenly installed, you need to do the following. Access the menu, go to More Tools, Extensions, then disable and delete this Close Your Tab extension. I also recommend that you research the computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus, which you may get on the page combocleaner.com. combocleaner.com. Download it, install it, and start researching your system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, for the first time the program will be initially in the trial mode, so only Quick Scan option is available. So you need to click on Start Scan button, and then the scanning will immediately begin. But most likely, of course, the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip that important step if Combo Cleaner suggests you to update its antivirus database. Then the scanning itself will take place. The scanning duration depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the computer is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And it may depend on other factors too, of course. Combo Cleaner will give you the summary of all the threats which were revealed during the scan at the end of the scan. I want to emphasize your attention on several features, for instance anti-ransomware feature, which will always protect your files against ransomware attacks. This feature is the part of the premium license though. So you need to wait a certain amount of time until the scanning has been successfully finalized by Combo Cleaner. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were revealed on your computer. Of course, some threats can be removed manually. However, we recommend that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner to make sure your computer is always under decent protection.